I'm going to the Yellow Mountains. Really pumped up. It is pretty easy to get from the city railway station to the mountain. There are coaches every 30 minutes running between them. It's only 1.5 hours ride. You can see the weather isn't what I expected. It's drizzling. Here I am in a small town just below the Yellow Mountain. I'm at the south entrance now. Because the thick fog behind me, we can't see the surrounding mountains. It should be like this. Beautiful, isn't it? The Yellow Mountain is renowned for its all year round beauty. The beautiful thing of the sea of clouds, the rocks, the pine trees. Anyway, I'm really hungry now. Got to grab something for lunch. Just for your information, the Yellow Mountain is situated in Anhui Province. Well, it offers one of the greatest cuisine in China. So it has a lot to offer. I'm really spoiled by the choices. As a matter of fact, I end up having a very simple soup ramen. The handmade noodle is great, and the chicken broth is unbelievably tasty. After lunch, it starts raining, so I decided to stay in one of the hotels and start my journey tomorrow morning. I really wanted to climb to one of the peaks of the mountains and feel like the king of the world, just like this. But I probably end up like this and this. And those steep steps are going to kill my knees. Besides, after today's heavy rain, a local tells me it would be my best chance tomorrow to witness the magnificence of the stream and waterfall deep into the mountain. So I decided to explore the bottom of the mountain instead of the top. Lucky for me, the rain stops in the morning, and the hotel owner volunteers to give me a lift to the sightseeing spot. It is actually pretty close to where I stayed. This is the gate of the scenery. The hotel owner bought a discount ticket for me, which he is entitled to because he is a tourist guide. This tourist attraction is named as Nine Dragons Waterfall because the 300 meters tall waterfall is divided into 9 sections, each represents a dragon. Here we are. We are going to hike along this valley deep into the mountain to reach the supposed waterfall. Got to cross the stream to get to the other side of the hiking path. A nice spot for selfie. Okay, I'm on the other side of the stream now. You can see the mist behind me is getting thicker. I was always wondering why a stream in a mountain can keep running all year round. Well, being here makes me realize it's all about the ecological cycle. There are ponds and pools along the stream to hold the flow temporarily. And when the water is discharged from there, it would run like crazy. On my way, I ran into a rock, which was given a strange name as the Western Beauty. Looking carefully at that rock, I finally figured out why it got its name. Yeah, it's only a small piece of rock, but if you climb to the top of the Yellow Mountain, you will encounter some magnificent rocks with funny shapes as well. Deep into the valley, you can also find a couple of temples along the way. This one seems as a Buddhist temple, I believe. From here, I can hear the water splash sound is getting bigger in distance. So I think we are close to the waterfall. If you think this is the whole body of the waterfall, you are wrong. To show the whole scale, a drone had to be deployed to shoot the whole thing. Here, you can see clearly why it is called Nine Dragons Waterfall. There are clear 9 sections in the whole waterfall. In the end of this clip, I've also made an interesting comparison between this waterfall and one of the Yosemite Falls and the surrounding areas as well, to see the similarities and differences. Hope you